Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create a menu for your front page. So initially you want to click on header, and then we're going to go down to menu, click on change menu. And now we're just going to click on create new menu right over here. It's going to bring us to this new page, which is called the navigation settings. And we're going to create a title for our new menu, which is going to be, we're selling nunchucks, so it'll be nunchucks. And then we're going to click on add menu item. So the name will be foam nunchucks. I'm going to click on a link, collections, all collections, because we only have two nunchucks that we're selling, add, and then we're going to click on save. And now when we do that, we're going to go back to our site. Now that we're back on the home page, we're actually just going to refresh the page. And now we go back to header, go down to change menu, and now we have our nunchucks right over here, our new menu. We're going to click on that, select, and it created a new menu for us. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.